Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Empower how to change my monthly contribution to reward. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you are looking to adjust your monthly contribution to Empower personal cash account, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Empower app, and then be sure to be logged into your account by simply tapping on the login option on the bottom right. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the banking tab at the bottom of your screen. Then once there, what you need to do is choose transfer funds option. Then inside, for depositing money into your Empower personal cash account, simply select contribute, then choose the external bank account from which you want to transfer the funds. Now what you need to do is specify the amount you wish to contribute, and then simply choose how often you want the transfer to occur, from one time, weekly, monthly and annually. Then once all that's done, all you gotta do is review your transfer details and then tap on confirm transfer to finalize. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.